Today we are going to a country called Nuwara Eliya. Rambudu Falls is 109 meters, 358 feet high, and 11th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka and 729th highest waterfall in the world. Sri Lanka is one of the world's largest exporters of tea, with a roaring tea industry that dominates the island's central highlands. Introduced to the country by British tea planter James Taylor in 1867, tea irreversibly changed the topography, even the demography of the country.
The people they do the pick always like these tender leaves. First we pick the leaves, then here we do the leathery.
Tea tourism has been long established in Sri Lanka. Almost every tea factory offers a tea tour of some sort. The tours don't take too long and can be done en route whilst you are traveling through the tea country. Your guide can help you pick out a suitable tea factory based on your route or preferences. Once in the tea factory, you would generally start out in the plantation itself to learn about how tea is cultivated. Then visit the factory where ancient machines predating the Industrial Revolution wither, roll and dry the tea. Nuwaraeliya, which is at an elevation of 1090 meters above the sea level, is the highest city in Sri Lanka. Lake Gregory, sometimes also called Gregory Lake or Gregory Reservoir, is a reservoir in heart of the tea country hill city Nuwaraeliya, Sri Lanka. Lake Gregory was constructed during the period of British Governor Sir William Gregory in 1873. The lake and the surrounding area make up the Gregory Lake area.
Hello, good morning. Welcome from Sri Lanka.
你好，大家好，欢迎来到斯里兰卡。
Yeah, we would like to say hello to all of you from this lovely place, from the heart of Sri Lanka.
我今天很高兴的来到了位于康地这个城市的一个湖泊，你可以看到这边风光水色，而且还有早上的时候也可以看到一层的雾在这边笼罩起来，但是现在可以看到比较清澈的湖泊。
Okay, we were brought over here by our great travel agent. We are really happy with the service. Everything seems to be fine. There's a modern car bringing you here with air condition, with all the amenities. If you feel thirsty, you'll get complimentary water, and our lovely driver brings us here and stops wherever we want.
我们这一次的旅行呢，是由透过旅行社来帮我们承包。那他在这个旅程当中，他可以帮我们安排的住宿，还有呢很多的当地的景点。那您不用担心，因为这是一个比较私人的行程，所以说基本上呢，您可以去调整所有您想要去的方式跟时间。那在途中呢，他还会提供您免费的水，那还有一些其他的资讯的服务。那我们整体来说，我们对他们的服务非常的满意。
A little bit now a little bit about our program before we came here. Well, we traveled from Colombo over here. We visited a lovely temple in the Kandy city. It's really worth it. It was really lovely. Honestly, we saw nice places around. Hello, if you want to have a lovely experience, book with Cenote Walkers, 5 stars tour. If you want to see a lovely waterfall, lovely tea plantations. If you want to stay in a lovely hotel, 5 stars hotel with lovely service, please don't hesitate to ask the agent for further details, and you will experience the same lovely tour as we did. Marek and Toby.
大家好，我们这次的行程是由 Cenote Travel 这家旅行公司提供的。那整体上呢，我们会给予我会给予大概满分的评价，因为这次旅行当中呢，我们拜访到了许多当地的有趣的景点。那而且其实说真的，它会比如果您自由行的前往来说来得方便的很多。那所以说。 如果您非常的对斯里兰卡这个国家非常有兴趣的话，不要犹豫，赶快来预定任何行程。
Thank you very much for the kind support.
All right.
See you next time.
Our pleasure with compliments, of course. Yes.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.